Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up background fetch on iOS for SwiftUI apps, full guide step by step clearly. To set up background fetch for your SwiftUI app, start by opening your Xcode project. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on your project name in the project navigator. Select your app target from the list. Go to the Capabilities tab. Enable the background modes by toggling the switch. Check the box next to background fetch. Next, open the app.delegate.swift file. Import the necessary modules at the top of the file if not already present. Add the following function to configure background fetch. Swift func application, _application, UI application, perform fetch with completion handler at escaping, UI background fetch result. This could involve making a network request to your API. Process the fetched data accordingly. After processing, call the completion handler with the appropriate UI background fetch result. Add the UI background modes key if it's not present. Set its value to an array and include the string fetch as the first element. Now, switch to your SwiftUI view file. You will need to create a method to start background fetch. You can trigger the fetch in an onAppear modifier. Use UIApplication.shared.set minimum background fetch interval to set the interval. Set it to a time constant, such as UIApplication.background fetch interval minimum. After configuring all the necessary components, test your application on a physical device. Use the Xcode debugger to simulate background fetch. Make sure to monitor the data being fetched. Finally, verify that your app can handle the fresh data correctly. You are now set up to implement background fetching in your SwiftUI app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.